Data and analytics are accelerating hugely with large language models, the advent of machine learning AI. This has been a huge boost for actuaries who are in their natural habitat. It's in fact enriched that analysis, accelerated that analysis and enabled actuaries to go deeper. So that capability, when applied to strategic planning, is a great unique perspective that other disciplines don't typically have. What I value about the sage advice of an actuary is that actuaries view all those things through data, both historically and projected into the future. In many ways, they take the noise out of the current market issues. And that gives you a basis as a director and indeed as an executive to make a decision based on those longer-term trends with the noise stripped out. Actuaries are perfect at providing that sage advice. But in this world of data and insights, an actuary's skills and experience can be applied to sectors right across the economy. So I think that opens up a world of opportunity for fast-moving consumer goods, for mining companies doing very long-dated capital projects, for frankly any sort of business that is modelling out product and profitability scenarios over medium to long-term cycles, which is where an actuarial skill set comes to the fore.